Hello and welcome back to Sam's Diecast, your in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. And actually, you're going to join me in a single unboxing today. This is the 2021 Audacious. This is the new version. Always been fond of the Audacious casting. HW Art Cars, number 6 of 10 for 2021. 89 of 250 for the year. This is on an international card. Scored this at a Shaw's around maybe like 6 months ago. I mean, this is a while ago. I've been saving this one in the package for a little bit. GRY36. I got this towards the beginning of when I started getting interested in these diecast cars. And in 2002 or 2003, they released this, and they had a plastic top and a metal base. Of course, this is not an original version. This is from the 2011 Graffiti Rides 5-pack. This is a 2017 version from the Mystery Rides. They actually retooled it in 2013 to have a plastic base and a metal top. And this one's going to have a plastic base and a metal top as well. Hot Wheels Art Cars. Always love this Audacious casting. It's like some kind of fantasy wagon, and this one's from the Art Cars series. Take a nice look at the face there. That's the Art Cars design. Loving all the colors on this. Love the wheels. They look like glow wheels, but I don't think they are glow wheels. Here's the front. Loving that grill. Always reminded me of an Audi, like Audacious Audi. Audacious is means fearless, I think. Like a word for bold, fearless. Even though it does kind of sound like based off an Audi. Hot Wheels Art Cars, black Tampo, sunroof, orange windows. And that R there, each car in the series, they're going to have a letter on the top of each car. And if you line up all the cars in the series, it'll spell out Hot Wheels Art Cars. Other side, loving this wagon kind of deal. I mean, it's lowered. Blue interior. All the reds die cast. Base is plastic, made in Malaysia. Pretty cool. Yeah. Now I got a third one of these Audaciouses, and this one is extremely cool. Thanks to everyone that tuned in, and please subscribe for more. Goodbye.